we've got three functions here, a, b, and c, and we're asked to determine if they're one-to-one. Now to do this, all we're going to do is see if they pass the vertical line test. If they do, they're one-to-one. If they don't, they're not one-to-one. So in this first one, a over here, looks like it might be an exponential function. If we pass a vertical line, I'll just draw a vertical line. Now just imagine this vertical line moving from left to right. Does it ever hit the curve more than once? No, it doesn't. So as long as it hits the curve only once, this function is going to be one-to-one. For example, if the line was over here, what it means is that if we choose that x value, follow it up, it hits the curve right here, you get only that y value, 1x to 1y. What about in part B though? In part B, if I draw this vertical line right here, it's only once, and no matter how I move that line, if I move it from left to right, it still hits that curve only once. So this function is one-to-one. And in part C, if we draw this vertical line here and pass it from left to right, it hits that line only once, never more than once. So this is also one-to-one. So what we can say is A is a yes. Matter of fact, all these are yeses. They're all one-to-one. Now, just so we know, sometimes we learn things from things that don't work. How about this one right here? What if I drew this function that as I go from left to right, this turns around and comes back on itself? This is not one-to-one, right? Because if you draw that vertical line, it hits 1, 2, 3. It hits that curve in more than one place. So this is, blue's not a good color. Anyway, this is not one-to-one. I think what you can think of is this. If you start somewhere on the left, if you start your curve and if you keep moving to the right, just keep moving to the right. As long as you keep moving to the right, this is going to be one-to-one. But if you ever start and then turn around someplace, it's not going to be one-to-one. So if you add a circle, this is not one-to-one because it doesn't pass the vertical line test. It hits it twice.